Hello students, my name is Professor Waugh, and I'm a tenured professor that has been teaching college chemistry for over 31 years. Boy, that's a long time. In today's lesson, we will continue working on our nomenclature lecture, Type III Nomenclature. Now you've seen this type of nomenclature and you didn't even think about it. All right, let's start class. Okay, Type III Nomenclature. Secret. You have been using this all of your lives. Think about it. Carbon dioxide, right? The carbon and then the di tells you how many oxygens you have. Isn't that the coolest? Carbon monoxide. Now that's the silent killer. So don't leave your stove on without the flame, and don't go putting, back east, they try to heat up their house by putting the barbecue pits in the house. Don't do that, don't do that. And then hydrogen sulfide gas. If you smell rotten eggs, run. Get out of that closed room because you will suffocate and die. All of this is Type III Nomenclature, okay? Type III Nomenclature. Now, we've gone over this before in previous videos, but this is nonmetal plus a nonmetal. So below, you'll see where we have nonmetal and nonmetal noted for you. What side of the periodic table is it on? On the right side. Wait a minute. What side is that? That's the left side. Do it again. Don't do this. Don't put this on there. This is covalent bonding, where you have a sharing of electrons. Now that's an exit requirement. Covalent bonding is a sharing of the electrons. So do your hands like that. That's a happily married couple. Now the method is that you will name the first element as it appears on the periodic table. Then change the second element to the "-ide suffix, just like we've been doing. But there is no positive or negative charges, okay? Because they're sharing electrons. Tell how many of each element using the Greek prefixes, and you've got to memorize those. Now let's review the second element names with the "-ide suffix. So we have carbide, nitride, oxide, fluoride, phosphide, sulfide, chloride, selenide, bromide, iodide, not carbonide or phosphoride. I've seen that over the years. Please don't do that. Do not put charges on the second elements or the first elements, because again, this is covalent bonding. We call these covalent compounds molecules. Anytime there are sharing of electrons, it's molecules. All right, now let's memorize our Greek prefixes. So mono means one, di means two, tri means three, tetra means four, penta means five, hexa means six, hepta means seven, octa means eight, nona means nine, and deca means 10. Now think about it. You use this all the time. Carbon dioxide, what we breathe out, and carbon monoxide, the silent killer. Now, don't put septa. A lot of my students over the years put septa because they're from other countries. In America, for 7, we use hepta. And never, ever write mono for the first element. All right, let's do some examples. I think that'll make it clear. All right, let's look at these examples. What is the formula of dinitrogen tetraoxide? Now, you could say tetroxide. That's what I would say because I'm old. But in the Handbook of Chemistry and Physics, they let you put the two vowels together, the O and the A. So you can say tetraoxide. I don't like that. Anyway, dinitrogen. So how many nitrogen atoms do you have? 2. Tetra oxide. So how many oxides do you have? 4. So when we write the formula, it's just N2O4. See how easy that is? Going to the next example, what is the name of PCl3? Now we only have one P, which you know is phosphorus. So do not put mono on the first element. So we would just say we have one of those phosphorus, but don't put mono, and we have 3 of the chloride. So we can say tri. So phosphorus trichloride. Isn't that easy? All right, what is the name of SeO? Again, Se, I know you know the name, that's selenium. And O is oxide. Now, what I want to emphasize is that yes, never put the mono on the first element, but you must put it on the second element. And don't do 2 O's together, that's crazy. All right, so selenium monoxide, or selenium monoxide is the way we say it. Selenium monoxide. Thank you for attending class. To recap, when working with Type III nomenclature, you must not change the name on the first element. However, on the second element, remember to use the "-ide" suffix. And also, remember to add your Greek prefixes, but never use mono for the first element. Are you feeling anxious about taking intro chemistry this semester? Tired of boring, pre-recorded online courses? Well, we here at A Friend in Chem are hosting a chemistry bootcamp this fall. Over the semester, for only $49.99 per week, you'll learn the equivalent of a full college introductory chemistry course through engaging live instruction and real-time support. We hold classes every Saturday for 14 weeks, and the first week is free. So let us help you build confidence and go through the school year well prepared. Space is limited, so enroll today and make this fall a chemistry success. Once again, thank you for watching. If you like what you saw and want to support us, be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment and we'll be happy to answer you as soon as possible. Because we are A Friend in Chem, our mission is to make learning chemistry fun, easy, and effective. So, see you next time.